Hello everyone. So today we will understand what is the use of sum if s formula in Excel. So to start with this video, we will understand what is the difference between sum if and sum if s formula in Excel. So whenever only one condition to find sum, that time we will use sum if formula in Excel. But whenever there is one or more than condition to find sum, that time we will use sum if s formula in Excel. So first of all, we will understand when to use sum if. Whenever there is a condition that find the sums of cells of region north, so for that we will use sum if formula. So we will write equal to sum if tab, we need to select range. So for range we will select all the region. Now comma, we need to select criteria. So for criteria we need sums of cells of region north. So we will write in double exclamatory marks north region and comma, and now we need to select all the cells. Now we need to press enter. When you press enter, you will get all the sums of cells of region north. But now you need to find the sums of cells of region north, and particularly about state Punjab. So for that we will use sum if s formula. So we will write equal to sum if s tab. Now we need to select range of sum. So we will select all the cells. Now write comma. Now we need to select criteria range 1. So for criteria range we need to select all the region. Now for criteria we need region north. So we will write in double exclamatory mark north. Now we need to select criteria range 2. So for that we select all the state name, comma. Now for criteria we need to write Punjab in double exclamatory mark Punjab. Now press enter. You will get all the sums of cells of region north and state Punjab. So this is how we can use sum if and sum if s formula in Excel. Thank you so much for watching my videos.